Hey guys, it's me, Jeff 500, and I'm here with Butter Creeper. We're starting a Skyblocks series. Yeah. No, make a infinite water source first. You wanna marry me? Wait, I will slash marry space the do slash marry accept space Jeff 500. Dude, do it. I just slapped Jackson in the face. I don't wanna be married to him. Wait, slash is. I'll break the leaves. I'm up here. I'm trying to see if I can get some. This. Yeah, I know. And if you wanna join this server, the description's down below. And please like this. I has 2 wood, and I has 1 sapling, and I'm going to plant it. I'll make the what? I'll make the crafting table. Dude, I'm making a crafting table. Don't make another one. Huh. Wait, maybe that might burn. So I'ma put this. Can you see in the chat? L Look, there are lots of players getting married right now. What? Yeah. And give me 3 cobblestone so we won't waste any more wood. 1, 2. I know. Tell him to go to Skype and add us. What happened to the sapling? Um, slash is in. Why did you destroy it? Give me 3 cobble. Why did you put 3? Just put 2. Wait, dude, wait. I'ma do something. Secret or something. It'll just take 5 minutes. What? Everyone's getting married now. Wait. I'm not telling you what I'm doing. I'm voting.